What's up, guys? Sorry I look like a total schlep right now, but I wanted to quickly make this video. I have a pretty awesome NVDA trade from today. I have 10 minutes of live recording. This is just an intro. I really don't have much for you. I'm out here in Belmar, New Jersey, enjoying the weather, man. Florida's way too hot, and right now in New Jersey it's beautiful. Trading from the mobile setup. Maybe I'll go ahead and show you guys the mobile setup at the end of today's video, but traded from the mobile setup with the group today. Caught an NVIDIA 1120 reclaim and retest. This was a level straight from our pre-market live stream. You can go back on YouTube, go to where we talked about NVIDIA this morning on the free pre-market live stream. Traded this live with the group. I have all of it recorded live. Enjoy the live recording. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, guys, so to start this off, a little voiceover to give you context here. We took a small loss on NVIDIA under 1120 here. I originally tried to long it off that 1120 level. I waited for us to reclaim back above that level and show a 2-minute candle, and that's where we're going to pick up right now. 1150s, 1120 with the little 2-minute candle reclaim. I really like that. Now I can just easily put my stop under that 1120 level. Very nice. Nice NASDAQ strength as well. Good. Let's see if we can get continuation here. I think that's a really good re-entry on NVIDIA. I'm very confident in this one. I will stay long NVIDIA here. Looking for 10-15% scalp and then looking to hold runners. Pretty much already up 10%, but looking for one more pop. NASDAQ is back over 18,840. There we go. Nice. Nice. Okay. Looks good, man. Can we get this 1130 break? Okay, I'm at a third there. Very good. I'm at 1/3 of the contracts there on NVIDIA. So guys, when I get my first 10-15%, I always take a half a third off my position. I really don't see the downside of doing this. If the stock does continue higher from where I sail out, I still make money. I still take advantage of the upside. If the stock ultimately rejects from the point that I took profits or took partials, I lose less money. The only downside to this is pure greed, and that's why I went ahead and I took some off there on NVIDIA. This could be the pullback long that shoots us, you know, like this doesn't have to be the top for NVIDIA today. I'm trying to make sure I understand. I'm trying to stick to what, in the way I trade, I got to stick to what I believe in. So I've talked about this week that pullback longs could be really good opportunities on NVIDIA. That's why I was really locked in on that today. I'm looking for that to be the case. So got to believe in it. Took some profits though just to protect myself, make sure I don't give back that little push. Took some profits into that 1130 level. Would like to see it on any pullback here. Would like to see it maintain 1120. And I would even look for a nice structured pullback to 1120 as a reclaim, as a pullback long here. Looking for downside candles to come back into 1120. If I start to see holds there, I'll even consider re-adding to this. So guys, I think this is a very important point here in trade management. I longed the 1120 level. So if we pull back to it, the trade is still valid. I think we see too much panic and emotion that if we pull back from any point, we instantly exit a trade. There is no reason here to exit NVIDIA longs as long as it is above our 1120 level. We're trading off 1120. If it's above that level, we continue to look long. And if we get that pullback, we look to see if that's another opportunity. ES wicking. NVIDIA's battling here. Giving it time. Okay. It's a good wick there. All right, I added 5 contracts on NVIDIA there. Back into 10 contracts. It is what it is. Gotta trade it, man. Emotionless. Gotta take it. $11.20 is the level. Gonna give it another shot here. Took some profits on that first push. Re-added on this pullback to my key level. Might not get it, but gotta take those shots. Have that risk tight. Could be a really nice re-entry here. If not, risking, I don't know, maybe $2 a contract, $2 on the underlying. It looks like it wants to try, but need a little bit more market strength, it looks like. I definitely got the candle I was looking for. VWAP is a little bit of a concern there. I'm rejecting VWAP slightly. But NASDAQ ES remaining relatively resilient. ES at least. VWAP slightly concerning for the continuation move. It might be what keeps it lower. Pause right there. Right there. Pause it. I can't pause it. But that candle is exactly what takes out, I would say, 90% of traders because they are not giving the stock time at a key level. And what you can see right now as the video resumes, look at the wick that just showed again off the 1120 level. We do not exit our trades until we get a break and hold under our stop loss level. And you can see right there, as you watch that live trade, that live recording, NVIDIA wicks right back over, holding that 1120 demand and proving that we need to remain long as we're above key levels. Come on, man. Make it clean for me. I mean, that's just textbook stuff. I think I did a good job of staying patient here. It's a good reaction, but need follow through.
Need follow through. Not getting it. And that ESNQ is starting to be a little bit heavy. Yeah. I might not get it, but I'm not going to be upset about this trade. I'm in that trade all day. If I do get rejected here, so be it. I think a good level there. Market's just a little bit motionless. Gonna stay patient on the 1120, but really would have liked to seen that candle have a little bit more follow through. Looks like it might end up failing on me if that's the case. If that's what it's yeah. Would have liked a little bit more follow through on that candle. Oh, okay. That's why you gotta trust the level here. Gotta trust the level. You gotta sort of try your best to ignore the candles. I know the candles can get you sort of worked up, but the level is the true test. I'm not exiting until that 1120 fails me. These candles can get you worked up, but that key thing, the thing that's not moving is the level. That's the thing that's key here. Gotta stay true to that 1120. I gotta give this time. I gotta stay strong. Gotta stay strong-willed here. This is a key level. Just make sure if you're trading this, if it does break 1120, we can't be blowing up accounts. We can't be destroying everything. This is just another trade attempt. I think this is a textbook example of a reclaim over a key level and a break and retest. This is about as textbook as it comes for what I look for here. We get to follow through at times, sometimes we don't, but at least our risk is much smaller than our reward here. If NVIDIA does stop us out at 1120, we're risking maybe $5 on the underlying. If we get a big pop here, I mean, that could be $10, $20, $35, $30 to the upside. Should be a positive risk-reward trade here if this does end up working for us. I like that pullback to 18.8 on NASDAQ that is trying to hold here. If you're shaking in your boots on NVIDIA, I'd sell it on these pops. If you just can't, if you just don't have the emotional control here, I would sell it now as you push higher. If you want to hold it and try to see this out, then stay patient for 1120. Come on now, NVIDIA. Do us good, man. Make it the break and retest long. AMD's too weak under 165. It needs to get back above. Come on, NVIDIA. Give me one of those candles. Give me one of them. Give me one of those candles now. Need to break over 1130 here. Possibly the right move here is to take some off NVIDIA at 1130 again to protect yourself if you haven't done so already. That's the safe move. That's the scalper move. That's the risk management move, is to protect yourself here at 11:30. Again, I've already taken some off there, so I'm still maintaining. NVIDIA could fail still, and we don't want to give everything back. End phase is looking strong. Come on, NVIDIA, give me that push here. Through 11:30 would be huge. Do it for daddy. Do it for daddy. Okay, I'm starting to think I want to take some more off here. Hold on. How's this candle close? Yep. Come on. Okay. All right, taking a little bit more off there. Awesome re-entry on NVIDIA. Awesome trade, man. Fuck yeah, let's go. Very nice. That's how we do it, man. Just got to get one of those clean ones like that. Love it. That's a big one. That's a big boy. That's a big boy. Taking more off. I'm getting down into a comfy size here. Letting it ride now. Beautiful. Beautiful break and retest at 11:20. Caught it on the reclaim. Caught it on the retest. Let some ride, guys. I know that's a famous last word, but I would not be opposed to holding one contract. If you have some risk you can take, I would definitely not be opposed to letting this ride. This could go. All right, you're in at a really good spot. You have to make sure, remember that. Think about where you're in at. Try to remember that. I'm in at 11:20. That's a good entry point. Let this baby ride a little bit. One contract if you can. If it's too big, then don't do it. But if you got some size, if your account's not, if your whole account's not in NVIDIA right now, I would let this ride a little bit.